So let's start quantitative aptitude daily marathon test 1. But today there is a challenge, and that is I'll try my best not to pick pen and paper and all the calculations that I will use my mind. Let's get started. English, yes, I have read all the instructions. Now let's start. Not now. Suresh bought 2 books and sell the first book at 25% profit and sell the second book at 25% loss. The total cost price of the books for Suresh is Rs 10,000. If there is no profit and no loss in the whole transaction, then the cost price of A is what percent of the cost price of book B? Since there is no profit, no loss, then 25% profit will be profit and loss are same. So CP will be same. Then it will be 100%. From the top of a cliff, the angle of depression of an object at a distance of 25 meters on the ground from the cliff is 45 degrees. Find the height of the cliff. 45 degrees will be 1:1. Object at a distance of 25 meters on the ground. Okay, it is 25 meters. A certain sum amounts to Rs 1758 in 2 years and to Rs in 3 years, and compound interest when compounded annually. Find the rate of interest. So in 2 years 1758, 3 years 2021. So it will be 0.70, 11 minus 3, and 6. .70 263.70 26370 by 26370, 5 digits, 1758. If I add into 10, it will be 17580. 26. I cannot go to 20, it will increase. I think 15. Simplify a given expression. 15 minus 4. So 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So this complete part is 0. 0 into 5, 0. 15. A dishonest delivery man purchases 20 liters of pure milk and dilutes it by adding 4 liters of water. If he sells the diluted milk at 50 per liter, then what is the cost price of pure milk? 20 liter pure milk, 4 liter water, sold at 50 per liter. So 24 into 50 is equal to 20 into x, 0, 0, 12, 12 into 5, 60. What should be added to 81x square plus 62 make it a perfect square? 2ab, 9, 8, 72, 72 into 2, 144x2. The price of rice sold at 30 per kg during last month. The cost of rice was 25 per kg. Find how much percent of a family reduces its consumption as so as to keep the expenditure fixed. So पहले था 25, बाद में हुआ 30, यानी कि 5 rupees का reduction. So 5 by 30 into 100, 1 by 6. The area of the base of a conical bomb is 616 meters square and its height is 48. What is the cost of plastering its curved surface area at 150? 150 150 multiple of 150 multiple of 150, and it is also multiple. Option elimination तो नहीं होगा. Area of the base of a conical tomb is 616. Height is 48. तो pi r square is equal to 616. 616 11 से कटेगा 56 28. So r square is equal to 28 into 7. It means 7 square into 4. No. Yes. 7 into 2 14. r मिल गया 14, h 48. So 14 square plus 48 square. 14 square 196, 48 64, 0, 64 plus 6 70. 2304 plus 196, it will be 2500. So 50, L is 50. Pi r L 22 by 7 into 50 into 14 into 150. Okay. 200 into 150. 15,000 into 22. 33. The pie chart here shows the expenditure incurred by a coaching institution in bringing out its books. What is the central angle formed by the difference between printing cost and binding and cutting charges? Printing cost 35%, binding and cutting 18%. Difference will be 17. So 17% of 360 degree. 17% of 360 degree means 3.6 into 17. 17 6 are 102 to 10. 51% 61.2. In a certain office, 1 by 3 of the workers are women, 1 by 2 of the women are married, and 1 by 3 of the married women have children. If 3 by 4 of the men and married and have children, what part of workers are without children? In a certain office, 1 by 3 of the workers are women. Let's keep it for a while. CD is a tangent to a circle of circumference 88. With its center O. OC cuts the circle at P, while OD cuts circle at P. Such that COD 90 degree, length of P is 6. What is the half of CD before the exceeds OC by 1 centimeter? Half of CD. So CD is a tangent to a circle, circumference of 88, and R will be 2 pi R is equal to 88, pi R is equal to 44. 44 by doing 14. Seriously? Yes. That is 2 pi r. Okay. R is 14. OC cuts the circle at P. CD is a tangent. CD. OC. Circle at P. O. D. Phi. C O D 90 degree. Length of PC. PC 6. Then radius 14. 14 plus 6 20. 20 हो गया ये वाला, तो ये वाला कितना होगा 1 सेंटीमीटर ज्यादा 21. So 20, 21, 29, it's a triplet. तो CD हो गया 29, 29 का आधा 14.5. AQ plus B cube. So it will be A plus B 700 plus 300 1062. आखिर में 8 आएगा. Determine the length of P cube. So radius 5, so OD 5, OD 5, OB 5, AB is 8, this is 4, 4, 5, 4, OP 3, CD 6, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, Two numbers are in there, 7:6. If 9 is added to it, the new ratio becomes 25. Find 50% of the product of the numbers. So 7 into 6, 42, 21 come multiple. This. The total simple interest on 500 in 8 years and 300 in 16 years is 1100. If the rate of interest is find the rate of interest. Let's say it is x. 8x percent of 500 plus 16x percent of 300 is 1100. It will be 8x percent. 40x plus 48x. 40x plus 48x. It means 88x is equal to 1100. Due to 1 by 8. I think 11, yes, 100 by 8, 12.5%. In a camp of 70 boys, there are food provision for 36 days. If 50 more boys join the camp, then how many days will be provision? So 70 into 36 is equal to 120 into x. 120 0 plus 0. 21. So 3x is equal to sec a, 3 by x is equal to 10a. X square minus 1 by x square. Sin a, cos a, no. Let's say 6 square a minus 10 square is equal to 1. 6 square a, 9x square. 10 square a, 9 by x square. This is 1. Two circles touch each other by externally at C. AB is a direct common tangent to the circles. A and B are points of contact. CAB 55 degree and CB. CAB 55 degree. Two circles touch each other externally at C. AB is a direct common tangent to the two lines. A and B are points of contact. So CAB 55. This is 19. The mean of 50 observation is 36. It is found later that one observation 48 was wrongly taken as 23. Find the correct one. 48 was wrongly taken as 23. यानी कि एवरेज बढ़ेगा. सो ये वाला तो नहीं होगा. कितना बढ़ेगा? 8 minus 3 5, 4 minus 2 25. 25 by 50, 1 by 2, 0.5 बढ़ेगा. So what is the ratio for the total hours spent for teaching and reading together and all other course? Teaching and reading 14. 7 multiple this is. At present Rupa is twice as old as Kiran. 10 years ago Rupa was 4 times as old as Kiran. Then the present age of Rupa is. At present Rupa is twice as old as Kiran. Let's see options. 28. Rupa is 28. Kiran will be 14. 10 years ago. तो किरण तो पैदा ही नहीं होगा. इसे 38 होगा तो रूपा 38, किरण 19. 10 years ago 28, 10 years ago 9. No. 30. रूपा 30, किरण 15. 10 years ago 25. 5 into 4. 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. So putting some value. Theta will be, I guess, 0, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. We got 2. Again 4, we got 2. 2 आएगा. तो थीटा 0 होगा तो इसका रिजल्ट 2 आएगा. तो 0 2, यस 0 इसका भी 2 आ रहा है. यार इसको करना पड़ेगा यार. One plus cos थीटा, तो cos 2 थीटा 1 plus cos 2 थीटा for 2 cos square. चलो MN can row 30 km upstream and 40 km downstream in total 9 hours, while 72 km downstream and 15 km upstream in total 6 hours. So downstream 48, downstream 72, 24 into 2, 24 into 3 मतलब 24 into 6 बनाना पड़ेगा. तो 48 में 2 मल्टीपल है, इसका 3 करना पड़ेगा और इसको 2. 90 by u या 90 upstream plus 144 downstream is equal to 27 hour, और ये 144 downstream 30 upstream is equal to 12. इसको माइनस करो तो 27 माइनस 12 आएगा आपका 15 आएगा. डाउनस्ट्रीम चला जाएगा, ये 30, 90 से 30 गया 60 बाई u इज इक्वल टू 15. सो u इज इक्वल 4. अपस्ट्रीम का स्पीड है 4, इसको मैं यहाँ पे बैठा दूँ तो 30 बाई 4 प्लस 48 बाई d इज इक्वल टू 9. 48 by d will be 9 minus 30 by 4, 36 minus 30, 6 by 4. 6 by 4 will be is equal to 48 by d. Okay, d will be here, this will be there. 48 into 4 by 6, 6 8 यानी कि 32 से 112, 16 into 7 and 32 will be 16 into 2, 16 go 7 by 2, 3.5 hour. The median AD of a triangle ABC is produced and the perpendicular CF is dropped on it. B is perpendicular to AD. Okay, BC is 34, DF 8 centimeter. What is the length of B? काम करते हैं. CF is dropped on it. AD median है, BC 34, मतलब BC में है तो BC BE is perpendicular, तो BD और जो DC होगा वो 17 and 17 होगा. ठीक है, DF 8 है तो ये 17, 8, 17, 15 का ट्रिपलेट है. उसी तरह इस वाले एंगल में AD वाला अपना होगा मालूम नहीं, ये 17 होगा. यहाँ दोनों 90 डिग्री सेम है, एक साइड भी सेम है और दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट मान सकते हैं, तो ये भी 15 ही होगा. 88, 17, 15. ये तुक्का लगाया मैंने. P plus Q plus R 5, Q plus B Q plus C 30, square plus B square 15, 3 PQR. तो मतलब ये B plus B C plus PQ plus कितना होगा 25. इसके को स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 25 मिलेगा. 25 minus 15, 10, 10 by 2, 5. Okay, तो minus 3 PQR will be P plus Q plus R into 5 into 15 minus 5, 50. तो ये 50 हो गया, ये 30 हो गया. 30 minus 50 minus 20, तो ये वाला रह गया था, इसको अपन कर नहीं सकता. 1/3, 1/2, 1/3, 3/4. तो ये दोनों तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसका डिनोमिनेटर 11 है. इसमें हमको 3 और 2 मतलब 18 हो सकता है. तो देखते कौन ज़्यादा है, मेरी चिल्ड्रन ज़्यादा है कि विदाउट चिल्ड्रन. 1/3 था, उनमें से आधा मैरिड है, उनका चिल्ड्रन है, मतलब इसका चिल्ड्रन कम है. 3/4 मैन आर मैरिड, 2/3 मैन आर मैरिड है चिल्ड्रन, 2/3 विदाउट चिल्ड्रन. मतलब चिल्ड्रन काफी कम लोगों के पास है मुझे लगता है. तो यही होगा शायद, ये वाला तो होगा नहीं। 2 cos थीटा। अबे जल्दी यार, मार्क कितना मिला वो तो बता दे मुझे। $48, मतलब वो गलत नहीं हुआ। तो चैलेंज लगभग पूरा हो गया है मेरा, मतलब दिल से कुछ खुशी आ रही है। लेकिन इसमें एक क्या होता है शायद, हाँ नहीं ठीक है, मुझे लगा था टाइम मैंने ज़्यादा ले लिया, नहीं टाइम भी मतलब बराबर ही है, ऑलमोस्ट एवरेज टाइम से बहुत पहले ही हो गया है। हाँ इसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम लिया मैंने, इसलिए इसमें मैंने ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट करना चाहा था, पहले इसमें टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ इसमें भी Thank you for watching the video.